The new BAYKAL BLX. High performance without the high cost. The BAYKAL BLX fiber laser cutting machine combines high precision with powerful cutting performance in a compact, space-saving design. This intelligent layout maximizes production efficiency while allowing easy installation, even in facilities where floor space is limited. Its optimized footprint enables manufacturers to make better use of their production areas without sacrificing performance or productivity. Built with a rigid machine structure and advanced engineering solutions, BLX is designed for long-term reliability and consistent cutting quality. The machine is available with 3 kilowatts, 6 kilowatts, or 12 kilowatts laser power options, allowing users to choose the ideal configuration for their specific cutting requirements. These power options deliver excellent cutting performance across a wide range of metals and material thicknesses, supporting both light-duty and heavy-duty production applications. High energy efficiency, fast cutting speeds, and low maintenance requirements help significantly reduce operating costs while improving overall production efficiency. An intuitive control system combined with precise motion capabilities ensures smooth operation, high accuracy, and strong productivity, even in demanding manufacturing environments. BLX is designed to serve a wide range of industries, including metal fabrication, automotive, advertising, and defense. It delivers a reliable cutting solution that ensures consistent quality while giving manufacturers a strong competitive advantage. The BLX is specifically designed to process sheet sizes of up to 3,050 by 1,525 millimeters, making it suitable for a broad range of industrial applications. It features an X-axis travel of 3,150 millimeters, a Y-axis travel of 1,550 millimeters, and a Z-axis travel of 80 millimeters. Ensuring stable, smooth, and precise movement across all axes. The cutting table supports sheet weights of up to 900 kilograms, making the machine well-suited for heavy-duty metal processing. High productivity is achieved with maximum positioning speeds of up to 60 meters per minute on the X and Y axes, while the Z-axis reaches speeds of up to 30 meters per minute. Excellent accuracy is ensured with a repeatability of plus or minus 0.05 millimeters and a positioning accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters, delivering consistent and precise cutting results over long production cycles. In terms of cutting capacity, the BLX can cut mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum up to 30 millimeters thick. It is also capable of processing copper and brass materials up to 15 millimeters, providing outstanding flexibility for a wide variety of metal cutting applications. This combination of performance, accuracy, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness makes the BLX a powerful and economical solution for modern fiber laser cutting operations. BAYKAL. Think big, we do.